Welcome to Study Loop.
So in a container full of colloids, the angle of the Bragg angle of reflection at the top is 37 degrees and at the bottom it's 41 degrees. Well, we know that the Bragg formula is 2d sine theta is equal to m lambda. So for a given m and lambda, the larger the angle theta, the smaller the distance t between the layers of atoms. Hence, let's look at all the options now. A says the microspheres at the bottom are more tightly packed than the top, which seems reasonable because in that case the d here would be smaller and the d here would be larger, and this seems reasonable. But for part, let's see if we can eliminate the rest of them. For part B, it says the opposite. The top is tightly packed, but if the top were tightly packed, then d would be smaller and hence we would expect a larger theta at the top, which is not the case, so this is patently wrong. For part C, the it it says the pressure makes the particle smaller. Remember that the size of the particles in Bragg reflection does not matter. What matters is only the distance between the two layers, and hence this is wrong. For part D, they say it corresponds to two different orders, m equal to 2 and m equal to 1. But that is simply wrong because the question says it corresponds to the corresponding maximum, which means m has to be the same. Obviously, A, which seemed like a very logical option, is the right answer.